NBA fans, may malaking free agency twist na naman. Akala ng marami, Lakers ang magiging bagong home ni Jonathan Kuminga. Pero biglang nagbago ang lahat. Kuminga is reportedly going to Minnesota Timberwolves. At ang mas interesting, hindi lang Lakers ang pwedeng maapektuhan dahil may isang player din sa Minnesota na posibleng maging casualty ng move na ito. At may isa pang young scorer na nakahanap naman ng bagong opportunity sa New Orleans Pelicans. So let's break it all down. Ayon sa report ni Shams Charania na inilabas ng NBA.com noong August 26 at 11:14 PM Eastern Time, nag-agree si Jonathan Kuminga sa isang 2-year deal with the Minnesota Timberwolves kasama ang player option. Pero may importanteng detail dito. May ibang reporting mula sa Reuters na naglagay sa deal sa $12.4 million habang ang initial NBA.com report based on Shams Charania listed $13 million. So for accuracy, sabihin natin reported 2-year deal with the player option. Ang malinaw naman, Minnesota ang pinili ni Kuminga over the Lakers, Bulls at Trailblazers at hindi ito basta random destination. Projected siya magkaroon ng major role alongside Anthony Edwards, LaMelo Ball, Jaden McDaniels, and Rudy Gobert. At ayon sa report, involved mismo si Anthony Edwards sa recruitment process. So imagine the possibilities. Edwards attacking the defense, Kuminga running the floor, may athleticism, may size, may scoring upside. Pero hindi pa natin dapat pwedeng sabihin na solved na ang Minnesota because Kuminga still has to prove consistency. At dito nagiging interesting para sa Lakers. Kuminga reportedly had an offer from Los Angeles Lakers pero hindi siya ang pinili. So ang tanong ngayon, did the Lakers lose the exact type of young wing they need? Young, athletic, versatile, may potential. Hindi pa established superstar si Kuminga pero iyon ang bet ng Minnesota. They're betting on the upside. At kung biglang mag-breakout siya alongside Anthony Edwards, biglang magiging ibang usapan ng 2-year deal na ito. At para sa Lakers, pwedeng bumalik ang tanong throughout the season. Should they have pushed harder from Kuminga? Pero hindi pa dito natatapos dahil may bagong domino. Ayon sa latest report from The Athletic, expected na i-trade ng Timberwolves si Josh Green matapos ang Kuminga agreement. Bakit? Kailangan daw ng Minnesota na mag-clear ng around $3 million in salary para manatili below the second apron. Pero importanteng linawin, hindi pa confirm ang trade. Reported expectation pa lang ito. Pwede rin magkaroon ng ibang salary move. So ang storyline ngayon, Kuminga in, Josh Green potentially out. At kung mangyari yun, makikita natin kung gaano kalaki ang price ng Minnesota para makuha ang young forward na gusto nila. At habang pinag-uusapan natin si Kuminga, may isa pang young player na nakahanap ng bagong home. Benedict Mathurin is reportedly going to New Orleans Pelicans. Ayon sa NBA.com at Reuters, nag-agree si Mathurin sa 2-year $16 million deal with the New Orleans Pelicans with the player option. At interesting ang timing nito. Last season, nag-average siya ng 17.6 points, 5.4 rebounds, at 2.4 assists. Career high across those categories. So this isn't just another roster move para kay Mathurin. Opportunity ito. New Orleans Pelicans has been pursuing him for a while. At ngayon mayroon siyang chance na magkaroon ng mas malaking role at patunayan na kaya niyang maging long-term scoring piece. At dahil player option ng second year, may flexibility din siya kung magiging successful ang season niya. So ngayon, tatlong bagay ang dapat bantayan. Una, paano gagamitin ng Minnesota si Kuminga? Starter ba talaga at gaano kalaki ang offensive role? Pangalawa, ano ang mangyayari kay Josh Green? Trade ba? Waiver? Or ibang salary move? At pangatlo, can Benedict Mathurin finally break out in New Orleans Pelicans? Dahil parehong Kuminga at Mathurin ngayon ay may bagong pagkakataon na patunayan ang kanilang value. Pero para sa akin, ang biggest question ngayon, did Kuminga make the right decision choosing Minnesota over the Lakers? Kung mag-breakout siya, magiging genius move ito. Pero kung hindi, babalikan natin ang Lakers decision na ito. Kayo, ano sa tingin ninyo? Smart move ba ni Kuminga? O dapat Lakers talaga? Comment down below. At kung gusto nyo ng mabilis at updated na NBA breaking news, don't forget to subscribe.